Before the city wakes, Alex runs. Earbuds in. Breath even. Like a promise she made to herself. Her phone buzzes. Are you running, or running away from the dishes? Both, she writes back. Counts twice. Across town, their little apartment is chaos, the good kind. Andrea, still in scrubs, quizzes herself on cranial nerves and scolds a half-dead plant named Gerald. Tonight, there's a dinner. There's always a dinner. The theme, a fresh start. Then a text lands that isn't part of the plan. Don't freak out. I'm downstairs. It's Theo, Alex's younger sister, with a duffel bag, a rolling suitcase, and the brightness of someone determined not to cry. Alex crosses the room and holds her, fierce and wordless. But her eyes are already doing the math on that suitcase. This isn't a visit. Andrea folds Theo in like family. No questions, just a hug and a plate. House rule, she says, nobody does the mom thing before coffee. And you, my dear, have been drafted for onion duty. At the restaurant, Alex transforms. Spine straight. Smile on. In command. She reads a nervous couple in a single glance and gives them the quiet corner, unasked. You take care of everybody, her manager says. But you never let anyone hold the door for you. At the clinic, an older Haitian woman takes Andrea's hand. You have your grandmother's steady hands, she says. And when Andrea admits how tired she is, the answer lands like a hand on the back. Being tired isn't the same as being done. Back home, over 2 pots and badly chopped onions, the truth comes out. Theo left the program their mother chose. I've never felt more like a failure and more like myself at the same time. Andrea calls a timeout. We put it on the table tonight. That's the theme, isn't it? Then, the buzzer. And the little apartment fills with color and noise, and the smell of 5 kitchens at once. Mateo with plantains and emotional damage. Way with a Rioja and a backup Rioja. Selam with coffee and calm. Ah, she says. Home. One rule at this table. Feed people, and tell the truth. They go around. Small starts, brave starts. And when it reaches Theo, she says the hard, true thing out loud. You can be scared and brave at the very same time. Salam tells her. That's most of the good beginnings. Later, in the kitchen, Alex says the honest thing too. I left home, Theo, I just left on schedule, with a plan. So everyone called it responsible instead of running. You can stay as long as you need. But you don't get to hide, to sleep rigged, and Alex straight to sted main, I dud made the videos to follow, I specialist mean easing is name, and only 2 full. Guests gone, the house asleep, Alex tidies the quiet. Her phone lights up, the fellowship she's chased the final round. Then Theo's phone buzzes beside it. I know you went to your sister. Tell Alexandra I'm coming to New York on Friday. We'll fix this as a family. All of us. 2 fresh starts. One she chose, and one that just chose her. Okay, she says, to no one at all. Okay.